South Australia. Welcome to Adelaide. So yep, we left Victoria, went and stayed at a farm for a couple of days, then stayed at another friend's place in Adelaide, and we're just heading off. I hope so. Can we go through there? Righto, oh well, we've done all our stuff, got myself a new GoPro, still got to set it all up yet. I've just put it on there because I didn't want any of the packaging or anything, so I've just mounted him there. A few more SD cards, a few more batteries. Now Kev's going to take us out to a campsite somewhere. Get out of this city. Although if I was ever going to live in a city, it'd be probably Adelaide. Bit more laid back, I think. 24 degrees, absolutely sensational day. Not too hot, not too cold. Exactly how you want it to be. Where are we going, Kev? We are going this way. Having a fight out there. Not sure how well the camera's showing it up. Look at them all. You know it, mate. Get him. New Terry Hotel Golf and Holiday Resort. I suppose that's Hotel. Up here, yep. It's our home for the night. Oh, look at the roos. Settle down, big fella. Oh well, looks a bit flash. Hey? Looks a bit flash.
Flash?
It is.
Boiled me. I can even work out in the gone.
The gone?
Yeah.
Yeah, having the gone.
Having the gone?
Yeah. Yeah, see the big roos.
Yeah.
Settle down, Skippy.
What, did you go fast? Yeah, pull up, go on, pull up. Oh, with you and you,
Alrighty, I'll go and check it out. Right, so, we got upgraded. Upgraded to a golf room, better view, he said. So, very obliging. Everything was shut. And so we had to ring them to get them to come back and open up for us. But yeah, no, very friendly. So yeah, awesome. It's the room we stayed in last night. Not too bad. We're trying a little bath and shower. Few beds. Overlooking the golf course. Got some kangaroos out there. There's a lot of kangaroos in this area. We're going to have to be a bit careful today.